Ba-ba-ba. Wow. Hey, what's up? I'm Russ. This is Dapper Dividends. Thank you for swinging on by the channel where we are working to make work optional. And we're doing that through stock and crypto passive income. So if that's you, welcome aboard. Happy to have you. This is going to be a fun video. I hope you're not hungry, because if you are, you're just going to be hungrier. I have hand-selected, hand-dipped, battered, fried, and served up for you 15 of the most fantastic franchise fast food dividend stocks for you. Some of them you know, some of them you're probably going to be surprised that they pay a dividend. So I have 15 of them, a little bit long for one video. We're going to do that in two parters. So this is part one, and for the remainder of this video, I will be Russ. Thank you. We're going to go through these really quickly to put them on your radar and make you say, Number 15 is Wingstop, ticker WING. Together with its subsidiaries, franchises, and operates restaurants under the Wingstop brand name. Its restaurants offer classic wings, boneless wings, and tenders that are cooked to order and hand-sauced and tossed in various flavors. As of December 26, 2020, the company had 1,506 franchised restaurants and 32 company-owned restaurants in 44 states and 10 countries worldwide. Wingstop was founded in 1994 and is based in Dallas, Texas. With a current dividend yield of 0.38%, annual payout of 56 cents per share with a low payout ratio of 39.48%, and Wingstop has been growing their dividend for 3 years. As we look at the Simply Wall Street fair value, keep in mind this is a discounted cash flow model. They're basically looking 10 years into the future, accounting for all their earnings, and then discounting that back to a price today. So that's why some of these numbers may seem small or large. And Simply Wall Street does have a fair value of $68.46, making it about 118% overvalued at the current price of $149.23. Number 14, ticker TXRH, Texas Roadhouse Incorporated, together with its subsidiaries, operates casual dining restaurants in the United States and internationally. The company operates and franchises Texas Roadhouse and Bubba's 33 restaurants. As of December 29, 2020, it operated 537 domestic restaurants and 97 franchise restaurants. Texas Roadhouse Incorporated was founded in 1993 and is based in Louisville, Kentucky. With a current dividend yield of 0.39%, paying out 40 cents a share annually, with a super low payout ratio of 11.76%. They have grown that dividend for 0 years, and Simply Wall Street has a fair value of $76.05, making Texas Roadhouse about 33.9% overvalued at the current price of $101.81, but these days just about everything is overvalued. Number 13, ticker TACO, Del Taco Restaurants Incorporated, develops, franchises, owns, and operates Del Taco quick service Mexican-American restaurants in the United States. The company's restaurants offer Mexican-inspired and American classic dishes. As of March 10th, 2021, it operated approximately 600 restaurants across 16 states. The company was founded way back in 1964 and is headquartered in Lake Forest, California. Del Taco has a current dividend yield of 0.74%, paying out 8 cents a share annually, with a low payout ratio of 17.58%, and they have grown that dividend for 0 years. Simply Wall Street has a fair valuation of $8.09, making Del Taco about 33.5% overvalued at the current price of $10.80. Number 12, avoid the Noid. That's going to date me. When I was a kid, I loved the Noid. Do you remember the Noid? If you don't, you're on YouTube, check out Avoid the Noid after this video, of course, and see what the Noid was all about. Ticker DPZ, Domino's Pizza Incorporated, through its subsidiaries, operates as a pizza company in the United States and internationally. It operates through 3 segments: U.S. stores, international franchise, and supply chain. The company offers pizza under the Domino's brand name through company-owned and franchise stores. As of January 3rd, 2021, it operated approximately 17,600 stores in 90 markets. The company was founded in 1960 and is based in Ann Arbor, Michigan. Domino's Pizza has a current dividend forward yield of 0.85%, paying out $3.76 per share annually, with a 28% payout ratio, a 20% 5-year growth rate, that is super solid, and a dividend growth streak of 8 years. And Simply Wall Street has a fair value of $308.57, making Domino's Pizza about 43.5% overvalued from its current price of $442.71. Number 11 on the list, the competitor to Domino's, ticker PZZA, Papa John's International Incorporated, operates and franchises pizza delivery and carry-out restaurants under the Papa John's trademark in the United States and internationally. It operates through 4 segments: domestic company-owned restaurants, North America commissaries, North America franchising, and international operations. The company also operates dine-in and delivery restaurants under the Papa John's trademark internationally. As of December 27th, 2020, it operated 5,400 Papa John's restaurants, which included 588 company-owned and 4,812 franchise restaurants in 48 countries and territories. The company was founded in 1984 and is based in Louisville, Kentucky. And yes, it's Louisville. I know, because we've gone to Louisville and people there have corrected me and said, no, sir, Yankee man, it's not Louisville, it's Louisville. Now you know, and knowing is half the battle, yo, Joe. Papa John's also has a dividend yield of 0.89%, but only paying out 90 cents per share annually, a payout ratio of 32.64%, a respectable 5-year growth rate of 5.15%, and has been growing that dividend for 0 years. Simply Wall Street has a fair value of $86.92, making Papa John's about 16.9% overvalued at the current price of $101.58. And we're into the top 10. 2 in the morning, got the fat burger. It is ticker FAT, Fat Brands Incorporated, a multi-brand franchising company, acquires, develops, and markets quick service, fast casual, and casual dining restaurant concepts worldwide. As of March 28th, 2021, it owned 9 restaurant brands, including Fatburger, Johnny Rockets, Buffalo Cafe, Buffalo's Express, Ponderosa Steakhouse, didn't know those were still around, Bonanza Steakhouse, Hurricane Grill and Wings, Yala Mediterranean, and Elevation Burger, as well as franchised approximately 700 locations. The company was incorporated in 2017 and is headquartered in Beverly Hills, California. Fat Brands Incorporated operates as a subsidiary of Fog Cutter Holdings LLC. Fat Brands has a dividend yield of 1.11% with an annual payout of 13 cents a share. Seeking Alpha doesn't list the payout ratio, and they have been growing that dividend for 0 años. And Simply Wall Street has a fair value of 71 cents a share, making Fat Brands about 1,556.9% overvalued at the current price of $11.74. Number 9, Wendys, ticker WEN, together with its subsidiaries, operates as a quick service restaurant company. It operates through 3 segments: Wendys US, Wendys International, and Global Real Estate and Development. The company is involved in operating, developing, and franchising a system of quick service restaurants specializing in hamburger sandwiches. As of January 3rd, 2021, it operated approximately 361 company-operated restaurants, 5,520 franchise restaurants in the United States, and 947 franchise restaurants internationally. The company also owns and leases real estate properties. It owns 509 and leases 1,245 properties, which are leased or subleased primarily to franchisees. The company was formerly known as Wendys Arby's Group Incorporated and changed its name to the Wendys Company in July of 2011. The Wendys Company was founded in 1969 and is headquartered in Dublin, Ohio. Wendy's has a dividend yield of 1.39% with an annual payout of 40 cents per share, with a payout ratio of 54.30%, a 5-year growth rate of 5.70%, and they've had 0 years of dividend growth according to Seeking Alpha. And Simply Wall Street has a fair value of $25.76, making Wendy's about 12.1% overvalued from the current price of $28.87. And the number 8 one goes to a fond memory of my time in the Navy in San Diego in the late 90s. And the honor of this goes to Jack in the Box, ticker JACK, operates and franchises Jack in the Box quick service restaurants. As of September 27th, 2020, it operated and franchised 2,241 Jack in the Box quick service restaurants, primarily in the western and southern United States, including one in Guam. The company was founded way back in 1951 and is headquartered in San Diego, California. Stay classy, San Diego. Jack in the Box has a dividend yield of 1.45% with an annual payout of $1.76 per share. The payout ratio is a low 25.97% with a 5-year growth rate of 6.45%, and we've broken the 0 streak, a dividend growth of 1 year. And Simply Wall Street has a fair value of $88.51, making Jack in the Box about 37.3% overvalued compared to its current price of $121.51. Let us know if you own any of these stocks or if you plan on buying them, or which ones you were surprised to see on the list. I will be back in the next video with the remaining top 7 fast food, fabulous, fantastic dividend paying companies, and I will talk to you there.